Hi everyone, it's Tina. Welcome back to my channel Tina's Boutique. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful summer frock for your baby girl. It's super easy to make. Within 15 minutes you can make this frock. Here I am using 100% cotton fabric for this frock. I took two pieces. Width is about 27.5 inches and length of the fabric is 16 inches. And I am taking two strips like this, measuring 27.5 inches length and 2 inches width. Take one strip and fold both sides about 1/4 inch and give a stitch. We are going to attach this strip to the main piece. Take a piece from the main fabric, place it by right side facing down. This is the wrong side of the fabric, and mark about 1.5 inches in both sides of the fabric. Take the strip and place it on the fabric by right side facing up. So that our casing is ready. In this casing, we're gonna insert elastic. This side goes to the chest area of the frock, and this is the bottom of the frock. Now double fold the edge and give a stitch here. Same like that, fold the top part of the frock and give a stitch. In the bottom I have given straight stitch, and in the top part I have given zigzag stitch. I am taking 11-inch long elastic. Width of this elastic is 1 inch. Attach a safety pin in one side of the elastic and insert the elastic into this casing. For 2-year baby you can take 11 inches long elastic. For 1-year baby take 10-inch elastic, and for 4 to 5-year baby you can take about 12 inches. Length of the frock also you can adjust according to the age. In this side, secure the elastic and fabric with a pin and continue to advance the elastic into the casing. Once the elastic reaches the other end of the fabric, secure it with a pin so that elastic will not go back into the casing. Now stitch both ends. After that, stretch the elastic and give straight stitch in the center of the casing. One side of the frock is ready now. I made another one piece in the same method. Instead of making sleeves, I am using straps for the shoulder. For making straps, I took two fabric pieces. Width is about 1.5 inches and length of the strip is 16.5 inches. Fold it into half and give a stitch here. Now we need to turn the strip inside out. For that, use any sharp objects to turn the fabric. I am using a big size needle here. We are going to insert elastic into this strip. For that I am taking 1/4 inch wide elastic. Length is about 10 inches. Insert a safety pin and insert this elastic into the strip. Remove the safety pin and secure both edges of the elastic with the fabric by using pin. Now stitch both sides. After that, stretch the elastic and give a long stitch in the middle. Now we can attach these straps to the frock. For that, I am taking one piece of this frock and place it by right side facing down. Above the elastic, mark about 3.5 inches in both sides. Take a strap and place one end of the strap on this mark. And same like that, place another strap in the other side and secure it with a pin. Take another piece of frock and mark about 3.5 inches in both sides of the elastic casing. Place the other edge of the strap in this mark and secure it with pin. Now stitch all 4 edges of the strap with the fabric. Place the frock by right sides facing together and join both sides of the frock. Our beautiful summer frock is ready now. I hope you like this video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and click on that bell button to get new video updates. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.